Fuel prices are so high that I went to the car dealership and test drove 3 vehicles to run my errands. Follow me for more money saving tips. What's up everybody, welcome back to the Daninator channel. In today's video we're going to be doing another sound comparison test with the Cherry Bomb Salute. Now this comparison is going to be done with my 1999 Chevy Silverado. I had some old video when it was licensed and insured and we could run it down the road. Since then I've parked it and haven't insured it, so the other half of this video is going to be up in the top field. Now it's not apples to apples comparison, but you will get the general idea of the difference between catalytic converters and no catalytic converters on this Cherry Bomb Salute. Now the Salute is made out of 409 stainless steel. It's 100% welded. It's got a straight through perforated core, which means it's a reversible muffler, so it can go on either way. Even though it is a straight through design, it does have a traditional body shape. So that perforated core is wrapped in a stainless steel wool, which is then wrapped around roving fibers, whatever that means. I say, old chap, you don't know what roving fibers are? You uncultured swine. So anyway, that's the muffler we're featuring in today's video. Put on a good set of headphones so you can enjoy the goodness that comes from catalytic converters and no catalytic converters on my 99 Silverado. Enjoy the video. Alright, that's the Cherry Bomb Salute with and without catalytic converters. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the sound. Well, that'll wrap it up. Be sure and check out the channel. I've got more muffler content there, plus automotive repair and other automotive related content. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when I post new content. And if you're interested in any of the merch, check out the link below. That helps the channel grow. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure to hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.